Hello, namaste everyone. This is me, Kiran Gosai. Today, I'll be telling you about my experiences or reflection on the session that I carried out. It's on novel engineering, an approach that connects literature with engineering design, and also about exploration of material development process based on novel engineering. It really helps students turn story problems into real hand-on solution. So the objectives of my workshop was to make participants identify problem in the story, guide as they brainstorm ideas, help them build simple prototypes, and support them through testing and improvement. We also focus on effective questioning to strengthen critical thinking. After that, I went through introductions of novel engineering. So, novel engineering is an innovative approach where stories become the starting point of engineering challenges. Participants read a text, recognize problem faced by the character, and design practical solution. It makes learning more meaningful and interactive. So I also let them know about the key features of novel engineering. They are this approach values participants' ideas and creativity. It helps them think like engineers while also strengthening reading comprehension. It actively engages them in problem solving instead of passively receiving the information. After that, I went to guiding principle. The foundation of novel engineering is simple. Students are capable. Everyone is an engineer, and their ideas matter. They can design real solutions. Teachers are also viewed as professionals who adapt methods based on their expertise. This approach is flexible and fits naturally into the curriculum. Then I discuss about the novel engineering process. So here is the big pictures of the process where participants begin by reading a story, identifying problems, brainstorming ideas, designing and building prototypes, testing their solutions, and finally sharing what they learned. It mirrors the real engineering design cycle. Then I also discussed about the keynote to be considered while developing material. So that is low cost, no cost. Novel engineering encourages students to use what they have. True engineering is about problem solving with limited materials. Stories help define the challenge, and recycled material help build the solution. Then I gave them example story. Let's take one example: Luna and the Ubli Bridge. In this example, the participants helped Luna, the rabbit, whose bridge was become has become weak after the rain. They sketch a stronger bridge, build it using classroom material, test it with weights, and improve it. Through this, they learn about stability and structure. You can see the pictures how everyone is engaged to help the rabbit. So then, the next example is Babu and the runaway marble. This is also the story. In this story, Babu's marble keeps falling off his track. Participants designed a guided track system to keep the marble from escaping. They experiment with edges and barrier to make the design effective. Check the picture where the participant build a strong runaway with edges to keep the marble on the track. You can also go through the pictures that is attached here. So here's the link. You can see the material that they have used. In the whole session, as a facilitator, I just guide them where necessary. I ask open-ended questions, offer simple materials, encourage testing and improvement, and celebrate all your creative ideas and solutions. My role there has been to support exploration, not to control. So, to conclude, novel engineering blends imagination with real world engineering. It helps students think critically, design creatively, and solve problems with confidence. When stories spark solutions, learning becomes more powerful and meaningful. Thank you.